The textile and apparel industry in Bangladesh, we all know that it has been suffering from acute energy crisis, and it will be seemingly continuing to suffering from the energy crisis. All over the textile and apparel industry, all over the world, particularly in Bangladesh, has been suffering from the electricity and gas problem. This is why the textile operation, likely the weaving, likely the spinning and the dyeing, are not really getting in the right pace despite having some orders of this textile. It has been studied and worked for the long time to have the alternative power solution for the sustainable textile operations in Bangladesh. So what are the available options we can see? Is it from the biomass? We have seen it's not possible. It can impact on the soil degradation in Bangladesh. So this is not really viable for our country and for our industry. And secondly, if you see geothermal options, this is not also possible for our current scenario and for our current infrastructure. And what can be the wind power or the hydropower technology? These are also not proven successful in our land, and for the last 1967 we have seen the hydropower generation in Bangladesh. After that it was not really any mentionable progress we have witnessed. So among 22,000 megawatt capacity of electricity in Bangladesh, only 2% of electricity has been coming from the renewable sources, and out of these 2%, only 1% from really solar energy getting into the national power grid. Why is important for alternative power generation or renewable energy? Innovativeness, we tell it. Innovativeness is a new competitiveness for the textile and apparel industry, and Huawei in particular has been working for the long time all over the world, and also particularly in Bangladesh. They can wonderfully capture photoelectric effects from sunlight. They cater and they distribute the power for the industrial usage, and it can be possible to integrate into the national grid. To do that, Huawei in particular, they have been doing wonderfully better for decarbonization through the digitalization. They are wonderfully making the intelligent power solution for the industry. For Weighing an Innovation Hub, Textile Today Innovation Hub, you know that we have been continuously working with the innovative companies, with the innovative solutions, with the innovative technology from the beginning to end. So Huawei is, one of the most important and one of the most innovative companies in the world. We are really excited, dear viewers, to work with Huawei. And of course, Huawei team is also, we have seen, they are also excited to work with us with Textile Today Innovation Hub. Together we can do something good for this textile and apparel industry in a more innovative way, in a more innovative solutions we can offer together.
So today we are very happy to sign an MOU with the Textile Today, and in the future we will cooperate together to help the garment industry to build a more renewable power. As you know, the renewable power is changed globally, but right now in Bangladesh is still in the initial period. So based on the now global situation, the power crisis, so the renewable energy is the necessary power source for the Bangladesh. And that's why we also help the government and Bangladesh to get a more green power and also improve the environment condition. So we cooperate with the Textile Today, and we can give more training to our garment owner, textile owner, and then let them understand what is the renewable power and what's the benefit you get from the renewable power. So I hope that we will achieve the target for the few years later.
Huawei, as you know, we are a global company. We have been in Bangladesh 24 years. We started business in here in 1998. So right now we have a big platform in Bangladesh. We have more than 400 people in here, and we also have a big digital power team in here. We have more than 30 people, and then we can do a good service for our customer. And also we have the very good facility. In here we have 8 spare house in the Bangladesh in different provinces. This also can support us to give the best support to our customer. This I think is different with other vendor. This situation is not only in Bangladesh, it's global. So you can see the other countries, what they are doing. They are all is developing the renewable energy, the wind, solar, wind power and solar power. All the countries developing that. I just give you one example. Vietnam market, they use 2 years to build 20 gigawatt solar system. Only 2 years. It's amazing achievement. I say in Bangladesh, you have the same situation, and also you have the same opportunity. You can make the good in the renewable energy also, because I think this country also need the renewable energy. Solar, I think is number one, and wind power, I think is number two. For the hydro, because you don't have so much hydro resource, but solar, you have very good irrigation resource in Bangladesh. Wind power is so big, you can still find some place to build a wind power plant. So these two solutions, I think, I suggest to in Bangladesh. And also consider about the situation right now. The global energy cost is increasing, terrible increase. So if you are always depend on the global market, energy market, your cost will be flat. Let's consider about two kinds of technology. One is for the utilities project, one is for rooftop project. For the utility project, Huawei bring the newest technology to Bangladesh. Our string solution can get more generation and easy maintenance. So this is very important in Bangladesh, because you know Bangladesh, the land is limited. You need to use the same land to generate more power. That means you save some land. So this is a very important case. We want to bring the newest technology to Bangladesh, not the old technology. The second one is the rooftop. You know the rooftop system. It's very important thing is the safety. If the solar system get fire, maybe the human life will affect the human life, or will affect the asset of the owner. So in globally, already have some story happen. Some rooftop get fire because the arc. So Huawei, we have the one technology we call the FCI, can keep your rooftop safety. So this is a very important feature we want to introduce to Bangladesh market. I think that because right now the industry owner, maybe they don't have so much experience for the solar system. But when we go to them, we introduce our solution, most of the owner, they will consider about the safety issue, because it really affect his benefit. So now the response is very good. Yes. Our inverter, the standard warranty is 5 years, but you can purchase additional warranty service up to 20 years. So this is our warranty term. And for the warranty service, you know, Huawei have a big platform here. We have our sales engineer, we have our sales warehouse, we have our sales spare part. So this is I think we can support the best service in Bangladesh compared with other vendors.
Use Huawei new technology for the solar solution will help our customer to get more benefit and more digital solution for solar power plant, and you will get the different experience compared with the traditional solution.